Damen Madison didn't just run, he declared war on the highway. This is how a routine stop turned into a multi-state manhunt.
2025, deputies with the Thurston County Sheriff's Office located a green Toyota 4Runner pulling into the Tenino Market parking lot in Tenino, Washington. The Toyota was tied to wanted felon Damen Madison. Madison had multiple felony warrants and a lengthy criminal history, including burglary, drug possession, and previous high-speed chases exceeding 100 miles per hour. He had reportedly made statements that he would not be taken alive. Deputies considered him armed and dangerous and believed he was carrying an AR-15 rifle capable of penetrating an officer's Kevlar vest. When deputies moved in on the vehicle, the situation quickly escalated into far.
Look at this! He's using everything as a weapon: chainsaws, tools trying to wreck the officer's cruisers at 100 miles per hour. That's pure desperation.
Threw a toolbox out the window. He's trying to get me to wreck.
And the toolbox trying to get you wrecked.
Alright, 3 heavy traffic and right there. I'm going to try to reflect my east left. Okay, it looks like we're signaling to turn northbound. Military. More northbound military. Just threw a motorcycle coming at me.
Threw a motorcycle on him.
Now 15,144 military.
Shots fired, you can hear the rounds hitting the car. This changed from a pursuit to an attempted murder of a police officer in seconds.
He just threw the gun out.
He threw the gun out.
The suspect has thrown 2 guns from the vehicle so far. It's unknown to officers how many more he has.
Gravity flag through your car smoking. Yeah, I think he got a tire. On Lincoln floor is on Waldrick from Old 99.
On Lincoln Forest.
We're passing Beans Road. Speed still 70.
70 Road, 70. Good traffic.
Kill the beans. Pick me up! Pick me up! Come on, come on, come on, come on.
The driver stayed, but Madison vanished into the brush. Now, the clock is ticking. This is where the tactical manhunt officially begins.
Did you drop him off? Is he in your car? Where did you drop him off at? Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Let's get her detained. Come to me! Come to me right now! We're good. You're under arrest. Yeah, she dropped him off somewhere. Turn face away from me. You f***ed up. You f***ed up. You're going to jail for attempted murder. Where'd you drop him off at?
I don't know.
How far? How far? You have to tell us where you dropped him. Clear the car from your side or mine. Smart boys. I'm gonna go nice and wide. I don't want to get a crossfire. We're going to come up on it. Car's clear. 301, 853. The car's clear, so she dropped him off somewhere between where my car's at and where we're at now.
Who is it?
Who?
Who'd you drop off?
My friend.
What's his name? Tell me his f***ing name right now.
Damien.
Hey, it is Damien.
It is Damen Madison. 301, 853. We're confirming that it is Damen Madison that was in the car shooting at us.
Did he jump out? Which way did he
Yeah,
run?
he jumped out. I didn't see. I just took off.
This is the reality of the job. Before checking his own car for bullet holes, the officer checks his K9 partner. That bond is unbreakable.
Down. Down. You good?
Check your boy, I'll look at your car.
You good? Yeah. Let's go, boy. That's a good boy. Let's go. Load up. Load up. Good boy. There's one. You got 2. Right, 3 is glance.
Yeah, and you got, I'm assuming this all wasn't here before.
Nope, those are bullets glancing.
Do you know how many you got?
I would say I would guess venture at least 10.
Okay, callbacks.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen anybody on foot down there? Blue jeans, anything like that, black jacket? Here in the last one, yeah. Oh yeah, we're around. Just keep going that direction. Appreciate it.
Yep, do your thing, dude. All right. Yep, pup's good, I'm good. He was shooting his AR, yeah. So, and then he threw it out the window. I don't know if he ran out or jammed up.
5 days later, 1,000 miles away, the FBI and local task forces closed the net. There was nowhere left for Madison to run.
Madison was finally apprehended and taken into custody, along with his mother, who police believe helped him originally escape Washington and remain on the run despite an intensive multi-agency search, bringing the 5-day manhunt to an end. Damen Madison now faces multiple felony charges, including first-degree assault, drive-by shooting, unlawful possession of a firearm, and felony eluding. He is also charged federally for fleeing across state lines after the pursuit. As a special agent from the FBI noted, this arrest serves as a notable illustration of how law enforcement partnerships lead to successful apprehensions of dangerous fugitives. Thurston County Sheriff Derek Sanders echoed that praise, thanking the FBI criminal apprehension team for excellent tactics with surgical precision in safely capturing Madison. His fiancé, Americus Wilson, was arrested at the scene and charged with rendering criminal assistance and obstructing law enforcement. At the time of publication, no sentencing has occurred, and all suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.